Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkonye, aka NdiNaija. Ja. Y'all, today is a little bit of an organizing video, just an update, life and such. I have a car seat installation and comparison video for y'all today. So, my kid is a tall child, but he is still under the state limit for being in a car seat. So some form of car restraint, if you will. Call it a car seat, whatever. All of them are car seats, whether they're boosters, transitionals, the baby seats. So I'll show you what we have right now. So this seat right here on the left-hand side is what he's been using since he graduated out of a 5-point front-facing harness seat. Now, personally, I'm really big on safety and safety of your child, or safety of my child in this case. So I, intended to have the taller car seats until the state limit expires. So this one has been well used. And it has this backlatch that goes to the bottom of the back of the seat that it is attached to. This seat, it's also an Evenflo. It uses the latch system. It uses the latch system, or attaches to your car's latch system, and this is it here. I will insert a video of me taking this seat out of the car. This one is the new seat, and this is the Diono Monterey XT latch. And it is, if only they would take this stuff off. Anyway, let's go to the top. It is an expandable booster. It's an XT latch expandable booster. And as you can see, it is a high back booster seat. Now, I'll show you the reasons why I love this seat, because my kid is growing really tall. I believe he's about 50 inches right now, and he's about to be 6. And he's not just tall, he's thick as well. But, he still needs to be in a car seat. So these are some of the features of this seat. Deep sidewalls, reinforced side impact protection, 11 headrest positions, expandable back, latch connectors, energy absorbing foam, and the bottom part, you can take the bottom part out. This one here, you cannot take the bottom part out, which is part of the reason why we needed this. But this is one of the major reasons why I got it, in addition to it being able to transition to a bottom only or backless booster. So let's open it and we'll be right back. So this seat comes in 2 parts. It comes with the bottom or the backless booster, and then you have the back of it. One of the things I love the most about this car seat is this. You can very easily transform this seat to the height of your child by just pulling it up. And you can see how tall it gets to. So you can fit a I believe they said it's a 60, yes, you can fit a 63-inch child in this car seat, which is 5'3". Now, I'm 5'11", but with the height of my kid, I will not be surprised to see him very quickly reach that height. So I'm going to leave this at the bottom height here, read the instructions, and then we shall proceed with installation. This is odd. Let's see how it works in the car. I forgot to mention, one of the cool features about this car seat is this knob at the back. And you turn it one way or the other in order to expand the side walls. So right now I'm turning it clockwise, which is to open, and then you turn it counterclockwise to close. So if you happen to have a kid with wider shoulders, this expands so you can fit the entire width of your kid's body in here. Contrary to my expectations, there are no specific instructions for the installation of this, but you have these hooks which go directly into here. So you lift up these flaps. They have the I don't know what those are called, but those closures, and you hook them onto right here. So that's it. These cup holders, where are the cup holders? I was made to believe that these have cup holders. The cup holders are inside, under the car seat, right here. So it's a very nice design for it to fit in the box. If you don't want to have the kid use the cup holders, they're kept underneath here. So I feel like I still need to find the latch hooks. Ooh, are these them? I will edit this video to ensure that the information you're receiving is correct. But the latch hooks are right here. I just need to figure out how I can bring them out. Out. So I found out how to get the latch hooks out of the car seat. On this side, the bottom of it, and you might want to do this before you install the top of it, you just press the latches right here, these latches. So you press this, it pulls out. You press this, and it pulls out, and that's it. And then you connect to the latch system in your vehicle. This is a very sweaty process, but it's really hot, and I'm filming this close to the end of July. Whew. And I didn't turn on the air in the garage. So here's the situation. It very easily hooks into my latch system. I think I got it. And how, you might ask? I sunk it into, I just sunk it in, really. And now we have it. Whoa. This goes in here. So this is what it looks like when it has been installed. Now I can take my headrest out. No, I can't take my headrest out. I believe I can just let it hang. And I think that's what I'm going to do, so that I can push this for the kid to sit in. I'm going to need to drop the camera so that I can do this properly. But I ensured that the seat reclined so that he would sit in a nice reclined position. So that is what it looks like. And then I'm going to take all those papers off. Okay, so now he's taking off the seat belt.
No, where's the thing?
Wait. All you have to do is this. That's it. And now bring it back. Wait, the seatbelt is twisted. Let's fix that. Oh, he fixed it. All right, cool. Go ahead. Okay, he did that himself. Thank you, Josh. So he's tried this out, and we're done. Now to take off the... I actually think that this part is too wide.
It might not be wide.
Okay, he doesn't think it's too wide. So we'll take those out. I think I'll make it a little... It's just a smidge narrower. But the car seat is set. The recline position is a little too reclined, so I'll reset that. So that is my review. I like this car seat, or this booster. This is a high back, shoulder belt positioning car seat. High back belt positioning expander booster seat by Diono Monterey. And this video is not sponsored. Oh, I also found where to change the latch, or where to pull the latch from this side. So for you to reduce the amount of ribbon on this side, you just pull here. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I am a huge sweaty mess. Whew. But the car seat is in. It was pretty easy overall. I have installed other car seats, and I don't know, it wasn't that hard. I didn't watch any YouTube videos. I didn't look for any instructions. There aren't really instructions, but it was pretty plug and play, I would say. So that's it, y'all. I will talk to you at a later time. Bye.